Welcome. In front of me is a REALME P3 Lite, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, usually somewhere between the paperwork. And once you find that, you can then pop out the tray. So, let's get to it. Now, you can also use a paperclip if you can find your tool for popping out the tray. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well as this. Now, you can see that the tray is located on the upper left side of the device, so grabbing this thing, I want to then push it in. You can see when you do, it pops out, enough for you to be able to fully pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. Now we'll be only occupying 1 of each. Now if you're planning to use just a single SIM card, like I am, you can place it either on the first or second spot, it does not really matter. So anyway, here's our 2 cards in place. Carefully insert it back into your device. Carefully, because there's nothing holding them in place other than gravity. And when you insert them, these cards should start working right away. Hence why it's popping up with the SIM card pin. So once unlocked, my SIM card will function, and we should also have some notification about, there we go, our SD card also working without any kind of additional steps needed. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.